I hope he's just not tasting her.
I think the diners that attend the Meals on Wheels event are always expecting high-end, terrific flavors because that's what the
This is a first
top chefs from Chicago.
that we've seen.
Keep it simple.
Yeah.
Execute it perfectly. Taste, taste, taste. And that comes from your palate.
The theme of the event is 4 elements: earth, water, fire, and air.
Oh, this is so wonderful.
Kind of different.
Inspired by a different
Yeah.
for 80 guests. So it's time to draw a knife.
Oh.
Fire.
Water.
Air.
Room in the ear.
Water. Fire. What's that?
Earth.
Air. Earth.
Earth. Air.
Couldn't let it
So
go,
you have
could
your
you?
teams and your elements. You'll now have 15 minutes to plan your menus.
Is that sweet? That is just sweet.
To kind of
Yeah.
strategize or plan for a meal, especially this
Pretty darn.
Is she awake?
Yeah, she had her eyes closed this whole time.
So we're the water team, which is actually
Oh, she's stretching. Oh, stretch. Yeah.
Oh, it's just
Oh.
awesome. It's just awesome.
Oh.
What about to duck or chicken mousse? So air to me right away is birds, little birds or, poultry of some sort.
She's kind of floppy. Her head's just flopping around.
And if I got this dish in front of me, all I would say was, oh, they use a bird. Herbs, cheese,
This is wonderful.
Yeah, I have to say I'm really liking it soup. We just had an entire challenge based on high quality, $500, and we're gonna make squash soup. No, if you two are totally into soup, I will make good soup.
You're a good brother.
I'm thinking it's not.
Yeah, you're a good brother.
Okay, well, so we're not gonna do soup then.
I'm kind of feeling a little vulnerable. Being on a team with Antonia,
Sweet older
it's a
brother.
little scary because she has immunity this round. So if our team goes in there, it's up to
Oh,
me
I
and
bet
Zoe.
she's been missing that.
Yeah.
I think we should use cooking techniques that use fire.
I bet he's been missing it too.
Yeah. Oh, yes, stretch.
Like a seared beef tartare.
Not a fan of doing a tartare.
We can do like a seared piece of beef and then kind of wrap it around a
Third,
deviled
fourth,
tuna and a
fifth.
deviled egg. I want to think about the challenge and have to be so
Oh.
like think fire, deviled eggs.
I just liked the deviled egg idea. I thought that was kind of cool.
I'm about to sneeze. Oh.
I'm totally not having it. I don't like the idea. I think that doing this presentation of
Okay. Whoops. Bye-bye.